Swing full week for silver here, falling sharp from the highs at 3250. Now why 3250 was a critical significant resistance level, why the prices have reversed, you can just watch my last week's review. I have mentioned very clearly and categorically 3250 is going to be the zone which is going to play an important, and hitting those levels we have seen now silver moving towards $30 level. So can we consider this as reversal? Can we expect a further drop in the coming week taking the prices towards 28? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. And this is the only channel to give you weekly review, and I do give twice a day reviews and targets for silver with detailed analysis, so that not only you can take a position but you can take a informed decision with the help of the analysis. So do subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. It is a great motivation from you all. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategies, so do watch till the end. Now look at the 4-hour charts here. See, this was the consolidation zone from where we have seen this rally starting, that is around 2950 levels here. So this zone is anyways going to remain important for silver, $29 to 2950 levels, and this is going to play an important role. What has happened on the 4-hour charts, hitting the highs here, silver has taken this sharp dip. Now it is consolidated enough here at around $30 levels. $30 levels, a critical psychological milestone for silver now, because below which it may try to trade slightly bearish towards 28, but 30 is definitely critical psychological level. What has happened since then? See, too much of divergence of the price called for it to converge. It has come to take the support here. It is trying to stay in zone. In the coming week, this zone is going to remain important between 30 and 31. We have to watch out how it behaves in between this zone. On the 4-hour chart, see here, it is getting a little resistance here, but what has happened? The rise here, higher lows, higher highs. So now, if you see it is staying above 3060, you can buy, but then 3080, 31. These two levels, it has to break in order to confirm further rise towards 3150 levels and plus levels. Else, it is still not bullish. On the downside, we know 2950, 2980 is the zone which is going to remain a critical support zone. Stochastic was looking upwards, now it is trying to retrace, trying to drop a bit, but look at MACD, it has dropped sharp, it is still trading bearish right now, it is not showing any signs of convergence. RSI almost staying flat. Coming to daily, now see on the daily charts, in my daily update I have mentioned, see, diminishing bearishness. This is a signal that bears are not very much interested in order to take the prices further low. And that is what has happened, what we have seen, double bottom and a little retracement, and though the prices fail to stay further bullish and we have seen it trading sideways, but this also suggests that from the current levels now the prices may take a turn like this, where it may try to move towards 3080, 31 with modest bullishness, and in fact a little higher towards 31 before taking a direction here on the downside. So this is one probability we should not miss. Another observation here is, look at this, it is still respecting this channel which is a flag formation, which is a bullish flag formation here. Now this is one point you should not miss. Second observation here is the divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average, and the 20 period moving average is sitting at 2950. This makes it a achievable level and a greater support level. But what will happen in the coming week? Couple of bullish candles and the moving average will also rise here, it will come towards 30, then later it may try to achieve these levels after retracing. So possibly in the month of June is what we can look forward to, this move, that is next to next week. Now look what has happened since last few weeks for silver. First a retracement, then a rise, retracement towards 20 period, rise, retracement towards 50 periods. Bigger the rise, so there could be a bigger retracement as well. Now if you just connect this, you will find silver trading in this channel, where now the bottom of the channel is at $28 level, and that is why I say if silver draws below 2950, then possibly more bearishness is going to be seen till towards $28 levels. Look at stochastic, this is fallen sharp. The MACD, which is traded with extreme divergence, now we should notice it is crossing over from the highs at plus 100, and thus chances of a reversal will be very high. We have to watch out, it can try to retrace around this zone and then take a fall here. So right now it is still bullish, though it is trying to convert. We will wait for a crossover for a clear reversal. RSI coming out of the overbought zone and dropping sharp here. Coming to weekly chart, On the weekly charts, the important observation is the divergence of the price from the 20 period, which is sitting at $26 levels. If you look at the movement, see retracement rise, and it could retrace. How far it could retrace? Now on the weekly charts again, 28 is the level, which is something you should watch out for. These are definitely achievable levels. So what it could do, it could erase the gains from this candle. It could try to trade bearish. Thus, if you see silver is staying below 29.50 any point of time in the coming week, stay bearish, we can look forward to $28 levels as well. Stochastic is rising, bullish signs it is. Look at MACD, see rise, retracement, and at this point I have mentioned that now it is trying to look. But can you see the bull run here? If it replicates this bull run, because this is a multi-year breakout, it can continue to yield further higher prices for silver. So one should still not say that silver has reversed and it is trading bearish. Though in stock RSI it was overbought, it is now looking downwards after forming a double top here. So a possible reversal can be expected or a sideways movement. Coming to monthly. Now look at the monthly charts. See, this was the consolidation in which silver has traded for years before giving this breakout post COVID. And see, from $14, or if you just eliminate this, you will find the rise from $18 to $30 levels almost, and achieving the highs. We have seen it consolidating here or retracing here, then consolidation, and now look at the run here. This is the first rise, consolidation, and then this breakout has appeared. If you recall my few months if back analysis, if you recall my annual review for silver, I have mentioned here that silver will give a breakout and then we can look forward to 30 and 32 levels. I was looking forward to 30 in the year beginning, and it is in fact his 32.5. Now look at the monthly charts here. See, moving averages are now looking upwards. The prices are trading with too much of divergence. What happens in general, in fact, even if it looks upward, the too much of divergence calls for it to retrace a little, and thus what will happen, it can try to trade sideways for next couple of months or more. In fact, for the next second half of the year, we may see silver trading sideways, where it can try to consolidate its position till $25, $26. Also look at the monthly chart. See, if you connect the dots here, higher lows, higher highs, and this is what, if you connect here, I have mentioned last week as well that 30 to 50 is something we should expect that silver will respect, and possibly it may not try to break, and that is what has happened. It has stayed within the zone. Next is look at the candle sizes here. If you look at this, the body size is almost $2.5. If you calculate $2.5 from these levels at 26.30, 26.40, this makes it to $29 levels. So at any point of time, the monthly closing should not be below 29. Now look at $29 levels. This will also be greater than 50% of the complete move. Now this will also lead the way for the next bullish candle as well. So as long for the month 29, 29.50 is respected, we should not be treating silver as bearish. In fact, it can drop towards 28 and bounce back towards 29. This is also one possibility you should not miss. Stochastic is rising. The MACD, look at MACD on the monthly charts. It is divergent, it is bullish, it is looking upwards, and it has scope for a further rise. The rise here could be phenomenal or is going to be phenomenal. Just 3 candles away, it can continue to hit the top here for next 2 to 3 months. RSI is rising as well. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can all trade profitably and comfortably. And before I give you the trading levels and if you also want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 31st mentorship batch starting 10th of June. Do not miss to register. Do not miss this learning journey, where I am going to share all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups which we have curated with our years of experience so that you can all trade profitably. Thus, reach out to me for details. Else, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. We are trading as per the signals also. You can profit. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for all your queries related to the services. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker with global presence, which is regulated a broker, and yes, which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, let's talk about the levels. First, I will recommend you to buy here at 30.45 levels. Be watchful at 30.60. Now, this zone here is very, very critical. Then 30.80. and in fact 31. So this complete zone between 3050 to 31 is going to remain a critical resistance for silver in the coming week. As long as it stays below 31, the prices can reverse any point of time from any of these levels. These are definitely stronger resistance. Beyond this, I will be looking forward to 3125, 3150. Now this is the next milestone which I will be looking forward for, where the bulls will be active and then you can expect a bullish momentum. So this is going to be the next critical level. Beyond 3180 is where I will look forward to $32 levels. Now chances for this appears to be very less as far as my expectation goes. At best 3080, 31, and from these levels a possible reversal. Now then where you should sell? I will recommend you to sell here at 3020 levels, but then wait for $30 levels. Very strong support. Below this 2975, 2950, and at any point of time silver trading below 2950 will lead to stronger bearish momentum towards 2915. I will be actually below 2950 we are looking forward to $28 levels, but there are supports which you should not miss. Then 2860, and if it breaks 2860 we are looking forward to $28 levels. These are critical support levels for the coming week. I do not expect, this is my personal expectation looking at the observation, at best 2950 should not be breached, and on the upside 3150. So these $2 levels, $2 zone is going to be critical. And see, $2 since last or till last few weeks back, it was a big deal for silver to give a $2 move in a single week. But looking at the volatility, $2 is not a significant zone, and thus this is the zone where you should be trading with caution and you should be taking an extreme care. In fact 3080 levels, 3100 should also act as a major support, and this $1.5 at least you should be careful. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship by Join My Signals channel. Do not miss to watch the twice a day updates. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships in order to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day and a happy weekend. Thank you.